This is my GitHub page. I have not come to compute, and this is that project that we discussed in the video. You can go here. You have all the files. Fine. You have everything about it. Okay. Uh, okay. And how it is used, and all of reviews from various AIs. I used UChat. I think I used Genius, the model Genius, and this is the output. I mean, review that Genius had to say. Uh, you know, See, so while the code does not does generate random numbers in a unique way, whether these numbers are pure random depends on your definition of randomness. If by pure randomness you mean unpredictability, then yes, the number generated by this code would be unpredictable and thus could be considered purely random. However, if by pure randomness you mean that the number are not determined by an initial seed, this is what I said, or an algorithm. So because a seed, a number, and an algorithm is used, we do not call it real life random yet, although they were just rotating around in a 2D space with all the physics and trigonometry happening, but then still it's an algorithm. And the earth and the universe is also an algorithm. So I don't know why this is a issue here, because again, in universally also we do have a seed. Fine, that's how the big bang and everything happened. I mean, some people say that. So, and see, it says yes here. I'm joking. Yeah, by the way, so XenoChat had this review. Fine, so you can go through it, download the complete thing. You can just go here, download zip, and we'll wait for it to finish. So once it's done, all we need to do is, I downloaded it a couple of times to try. Open the folder, double click on this. I'm sorry for the cough. And then when you go inside, this is the thing. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click here, use extract, or you might have a program that extracts it. You can extract using it, or just extract all. I'll just browse it to my desktop, and I'll just select a folder called as testing git download. Fine, that's it. And I'll select the folder, and I'll just click extract, and that's it. It will go into it. Fine, you can check here, it's on my desktop. Fine, I go in and I'm going to run the dice. Yeah, of course, security scan. All I need to do is go to more options, run anyway, and yeah, that's how it is. Fine, I can go again, and it is going to hang my machine. 50,000 objects, 2,400 selectors. So we got a number 2. Fine, and time taken is 3 seconds and this many milliseconds. Fine, I'll just skip out, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much. By the way, my GitHub page, yeah, this is all you need to know, and it is with the MIT license. And please do not forget to I mean, there is one more license here. I think this is the one. No, not this one. There will be an additional license which will say to yeah, I think this license. Yeah, I think this is not the one. I'm so sorry. Attribution is must. Okay, you need, if you're using my code, you need to attribute me. Is it here? No, it's not there. I mean, usually nowadays all the MIT license or whatever license it is, it comes with attribution automatically. So make sure you attribute me, and then if you go in main.lua, you can get the whole code here, and I'm already attributed here, and this is the whole function. I mean the whole software here. Fine. So that is done. You cannot blame me if anything, if you crash your machine or you burn your CPU because of maybe 1 million objects. You cannot do it, because here it says fine. Okay, I am not responsible for anything. You can burn your CPU at your risk, okay, as is, without any warranty of any kind. Fine. So that is it. This is my GitHub page. More projects and anything else that I am going to take in this course will be lined up here. So that's it. Thank you so much.